Hey there friends, back out in the field looking to show purchase here. Not kinda, I actually just closed on this one. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1980s single wide. Picked it up for $3,500. Resale on this is $69,000. Obviously we'll be cleaning up quite a few things, but a lot of this is cosmetic. We do have some subfloor. We've got T111 on the outside that needs to be done. Obviously flooring, paint that needs to be done. The cute little rooms, new lighting, just updates throughout. The shower's in great shape from what we can see. Tub's in good shape. We can clean this up, put a new base in there, clean up the countertop, get rid of that, put a new faucet on it. Basically that's ready to go. We do have some water damage in the back here, so obviously new light fixtures. There are some subfloor fixes throughout the house. Older furnace, but it's still working. We do have leaks, so we'll be taking care of those. We do have subfloor fixes that'll need to be done. This room, small room, but you know, still another bedroom. Clean up that ceiling. You gotta put a new window in here, take care of some water damage that took place, a little bit of subfloor, get rid of debris. So you can see what we're buying. There's a lot of subfloor fixes in here, but the tub's in decent shape. We'll probably put a new surround. Toilet's in good shape. Vanity we can clean up, put a new porcelain top or sink in there, new faucet in there, paint this, put a new light fixture in, and then new flooring, fix the wall obviously, and then in here, a lot of just more cleanup. There's some leaking on this side of the house, so some of the ceiling over there would need to be fixed. We've got a roof fix that's being done, and then also just sealing that window. And then big thing is just cleaning this up and then putting it back on the market. The park is going to require exterior repairs such as siding being cleaned up, painting, skirting being done, just a bunch of other common cosmetic things. The thing that's awesome about this home is that it has a fenced in yard, a nice sized porch, and as you can see, kind of the outside of the home, we've got water issues. Obviously, you know, needs to be cleaned up. Water issues. We have some spots where things are bowing, so we have a decent amount of T111 that needs to be popped off, redone. And then just the home just cleaned up. Another day in the marketplace, buying it for $3,500. It was a situation where the guy had passed away. Family members didn't want to deal with it anymore. Retired. So we said, hey, leave what you have behind. Whatever you don't want, we'll take care of it. We'll haul it off. And if you accept this offer, we'll go ahead and take it on. So excited for the profit spread that we've got on this one. So just making some more money in the mobile home business. Would love to be able to share that with you. Feel free to join us in this adventure. Make it a great day.